In this video, we will learn about variables and data type. So in last video, you saw that how Google Colab works, like how we can set up Google Colab, and we created a practice Python notepad notebook that is here. So we have different options like connect, and we also saw that like we have code, then we have text. So in this video we will just do a walkthrough of these things. Okay, so let me add a code first. Okay, we can add a code or you can add a text as well. So if you want to add a text, then you can add it. So or you can add code as well. So let me, so this let's add uh, basic or variables and uh, data types data types uh, data types. Okay, so here is this, and you can just shift it above. So now we have one section. So now we created one section that is for variable and data type. Now I can write here code. Let me add some code. uh, you can connect your environment from here. Just click to connect, or you can just when I will write code and execute this code, so this environment will be connected automatically. So automatically disk will be assigned, automatically RAM will be assigned to it and everything. So let me just write a variable name, that is name, and add a value. Let's suppose Rahul. In Python, as we program in JavaScript, so we need not to just assign a variable name, variable data type of variable. It will automatically assign get the type of it. Let's suppose here I have written name is equal to Rahul, so it will automatically take data type as a string. So now let's run this command. So to you can see here that there are two ways to just run the code. Either you can just press a shortcut, that is control plus enter, or you can click this button as well. So in shortcut also we have two shortcuts. One is control plus enter, that will run this cell, particular cell, and one we have shift plus enter, that will run this cell, and it will add one more cell for this, to write code. You can also add code from here, that is control plus M plus B. So this is also a shortcut. So now let me run the code, just clicking on it here. So once I click here, you just notice this section, it will start initializing the environment. Okay, so let's click here, and as you can see the allocating, then connecting, then it will come initializing, and now it is connected. So now you can see here we have RAM and disk. Okay, status is okay. So here you can see that we have total 12.72 GB of RAM, and out of which we have 0.79 GB, and also we have disk, that is 1.7.77 GB, and out of which 28 GB disk is utilized. Because Google Colab use has some inbuilt libraries for Python, so that we'll see in later chapters, so that consume your disk. Okay, so now we can see that uh, this code has been executed but nothing is displayed here. Okay, so now let me add code from here, or let me write control M plus B. Okay, so here you can see that new cell added. So let me just print the value, print and name. Now I am pressing control plus enter. So let me press control plus enter, and you can see that it is showing some, intelligence like about this method, like print the value to stream or to sys.std out by default, and these kind of things. So let's not waste time, just press control plus enter here, and you can see the output, that is Rahul is printed here. Now let me just show you the type of this variable, type of name. I mean, this coding is very easy in Python. So I'm just writing type here. So now I'm shifting, I'm using key like shift plus enter. So it will execute this command and add a new value, new row. Now you can see here the type is string. Okay. Now let me add one more variable, or let's just replace this. Let's say name is equal to 1. Okay. Now let me write first print name, then type of name. So what this will do, we know that name is of string type and it has value Rahul. Now when I will execute this command, this code cell, so now name will have value as 1, then it will print name and it will show the type as integer. So here you can see the output, that is name is equal to 1, then we have type is as integer. So let's try one more time. Let's add one more row here, and now let's change the value to 1.5. Okay, now let me scroll down. Okay, and let's run it, and you'll see the type should be float. Okay, the name is equal to 1.5, so it printed the value of name, that is 1.5, and it is showing the type as float. So I think we are pretty much clear here, like how we can define your variable and how data type is assigned to the variable name. Okay, so I think we are good for now. Thank you.